Hi everybody, this video is going to show you how to perform the service reset for Porsche year 2017 above by Autoland. This Porsche Cayenne 2018 service indicator warning is showing on the instrument cluster. Let's start using Autoland to perform the reset. First we need select Porsche from a European menu. Verify the model after the auto VIN identification. Select Quick Service. Then Service Reset. That is two service reset in the menu. You can check from the instrument cluster to reset either one or you can reset both together. The reset is successful. Now you restart the ignition and to make sure the service indicator warning is disappear. The service indicator reset is successful. No more service indicator warning is showing at the instrument cluster now. You can check the next service indicator in the menu. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.